皆さん、こんにちは。デボラシエさんによる夏至のセレモニーが6月19日の夜に開催されます。タイトルは、レムリアとアトランティスのカルマの浄化と5次元意識の復活と最短。今日はこれについてデボラさんにお話しいただきます。
Oh, greetings, Light family. Oh, I'm so excited and just full of joy and love to be able to connect with you today and just share with you the energies that are coming in. This is the most magnificent time to be alive, and many of us have waited lifetimes to participate in what's happening on the planet. You and your energy and the love that you have inside of you, your soul's vibration is so important. And the birthing of the new earth has begun. Many of us are experiencing the fifth dimensional consciousness in our daily lives. We're here as ambassadors and as way showers and also healers to pave the way and to hold the energy for all of the light that's flooding into the planet now. Since the winter solstice, the earth has been receiving so much beautiful energy and support from the central sun. It is by design that we are receiving exactly what we need to help us to shed away the old energies and to move into the ascension energies, lifting us up into our Christed selves. We have deep memories in Lemuria and Atlantis, and yet we feel that we long to be home and to have this connection once again. The summer solstice will be a magnificent time and an opening of a portal of energy to assist us in receiving the very real light codes to connect with Lemuria and Atlantis as they exist in fifth dimensional consciousness and energy. For you see, Lemuria and Atlantis were never destroyed in the higher dimensional realms. Higher self versions of you and your path exist in Lemuria and Atlantis, awaiting to be anchored into your reality. The third dimensional consciousness that has been anchored on the planet is being dissolved and lifted into the higher vibration. The summer solstice is going to be a magnificent portal opening up to allow us and assist us in receiving the light codes and the support and the activation energy that will assist you in ascending into the fifth dimensional consciousness. We are anchoring this consciousness now, and that is what is meant by Lemuria rising and Atlantis rising. For you see, Atlantis and Lemuria were never destroyed in the higher dimensional realms. As a matter of fact, many aspects of your higher self still exist in this realm. Light work and your soul's work are done here in this level of reality and dimension. And it is part of your path and your purpose to anchor these realities into the third dimensional consciousness. The destruction of Atlantis and Lemuria is a great source of sadness and trauma to the soul. For you see, it was experienced as a total loss and destruction. That has been lifted, and the new earth energy grids have been built and completed. And many of you have participated in this grand cycle of emergence and birthing of our new earth. The summer solstice is going to be a time of great celebration, for the ascension energy is here. The new earth has been born, and we are seeing this in our daily lives. Your energy, your soul's light, and your vibration are so important. In the summer solstice ceremony, we will be connecting directly with our higher selves, with these aspects of our fifth dimensional and higher consciousness to receive direct guidance on what you can do. What are the important things that you need to know about this unfoldment, your ascension, and also your path moving forward through the solstice portal and throughout the year? What a grand celebration this is going to be. All the crystal beings, light beings, ascended masters, and all of the archangels are supporting us and our guides for this grand celebration of a lifetime and lifetimes. The summer solstice will be a powerful time to connect with your higher self and the higher aspects of yourself existing in Lemuria and Atlantis. We will make this connection that you may receive the direct guidance from your higher self and your Lemurian and Atlantean aspects to assist you in unfolding on your highest path moving forward throughout the year. Indeed, this is going to be a blessed, light-filled, and monumental time of celebration. I do look forward to connecting with each and every one of you. Sending you my love, blessings, and joy until then, and hope to see you on the summer solstice.